Hi, and welcome to the Modelogix how-to video series. This video is on how to use control units. Specifically, this is for the administrators because setting up control units is something that an administrator will do. First of all, let's talk a bit about what control units are. When you set up a WBS table, you can also define control units. Control units are used for modeling alternative units of measure, and they're optional. For example, a project may be based on the square feet of the building, but you would like to view the concrete in cubic yards, or perhaps the steel framing in linear feet. If a control unit is included in your estimate import, it will automatically be added to the WBS table. If you add a control unit and that information is not included in the import, you will be required to input the values before publishing the estimate. Why don't we take a look first and see what a control unit looks like. We'll take a look at the Palo Alto Medical Center spreadsheet. And if you look over here in Division 3000, concrete, you'll see that this unit here is cubic yards. All of the rest of these are in square feet. They're 150,000 square feet. This is 4,414 cubic yards. Where did this come from? This came from the setup. So back here in setup, if I click on my divisions table, over to the right, there's a control unit called cubic yard. If I wanted to set one up for wood and plastics, I could double click in here, and then from the drop down, select the appropriate control unit. Once I do that, I will need to input values for all of the estimates in the database. So I'm not going to do that at this time, but I wanted to show you this is where the cubic yard comes from under the Division 3000 concrete. Now, a couple other little tricks that you can do in here, good things to know about, is the Palo Alto Medical Center. When I'm looking at this, I'm looking at square feet, and then cubic yards, which is great. Let's say I'm looking at the major table also. So I've got my division table and major table. I'll scroll down a little bit. You can see everything's square feet. Concrete here is cubic yards. I have a couple options in Modelogix which are covered under another video, but I'll show them here also. Over on the right, under the View tab, I can click on first row quantities and make sure I check on hide child quantities. And that will then give me calculations based off of the first row, or the cubic yards. So all my unit costs are now based off of that 4,414 cubic yards. I can uncheck the hide if I wanted to see everything on there, or I can use the WBS quantities again that came when I imported. Only the top row there is cubic yards and all the rest are calculating based on square feet. Your choice. But that's how control units are set up and how they're used in Modelogix. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.